In previous video, we have seen how to make a function to check a number is prime or not. So in addition to this, okay, so this is a function what we wrote in previous video. We have also made some addition here. That is the condition for 0 and 1. Like if n equals to 0 and n equals to 1, then we'll return false, because we know that 0 is not a prime number and 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Okay, and remaining, we all know this. If n equals to 2, we have to return true, even if it doesn't satisfy the condition. And this is a for loop condition for checking the prime number. Okay. So now, if we want to see, or if we want to calculate the prime numbers in a particular range, so how we can do? Okay, check prime numbers in a particular range. Okay, so public static void, because we don't want any return output, public static void primes in range. Okay, int n will be the range. Like suppose if you want to find prime numbers from 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000, so this is the thing what we want. Will traverse the for loop int I equals to 0, I less than equals to n I plus plus. Okay, and in this we'll check if e is prime, and this is I. Okay, if our ith number is prime, then it will return the number. Okay, this have to return 5, like I, sorry, plus space. Okay, and I'll print all this prime number in a single line, and after this I'll print one empty line. Okay, I hope so this is correct. Okay, we'll call this function here. I will call primes in range, and in I want prime numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, and we can ignore this, like I equals to 2 ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, because I equals to 0 और 1 का आउटपुट नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, so terminal. Okay, so this is 2 3 5 7 11. Okay, 989 97. ठीक है, so this is it. Thank you.